Welcome to Reading Japanese Candlesticks Part 1. This is video number 5 in our Forex trading training series, brought to you by forexminute.com. Japanese candlesticks are a huge asset to any financial trader. They provide a strong insight to price action, and they can act as signals to open and close positions in the financial markets, such as the Forex markets. And in coming videos, I will teach you about these signals and just how powerful they are, and you'll soon realize the benefit of Japanese candlesticks and being able to read Japanese candlesticks. When we combine Japanese candlesticks with price behavior, which I covered in videos 1 to 4, we will have a very strong technical analysis and trading foundation. But please be patient with yourself. As with any skill, it's going to take time and dedication to learn. Japanese candlesticks. All Japanese candlesticks have an open and close, and the difference between the open and close creates the candlestick body. So this candlestick has opened here and price has closed higher and created a candlestick body. If price closes higher than the open, then we have a bullish candle or an upwards candle, and if price closes lower than the open, then we have a bearish candle or a downwards candle. Each candlestick represents price movement within an allocated time. So if we had a 5-minute price chart, then each candle would represent 5 minutes of price movement. If we had a 30-minute price chart, then each candle would represent 30 minutes of price movement, meaning between the open and the close of a candle, 30 minutes of time would have passed. Generally, the next candle opens where the previous candle closed. There are some exceptions to that. We'll cover that later on in this course. Japanese candlesticks also have wicks. Candlestick wicks give additional detail to price movement over the period of the candle. So if we look at this first candle, we have an upper wick, we have a wick above the body. Our second candle has an upper and a lower wick, the lower wick being below the candle body. So if we look at this first candle, price opened here and closed here. So we have a bearish candle, but the wick acts as a footprint of where price was during the duration of the candle. So price was up here at some point during the candle. So if this was a daily chart, at some point during the day, price was up here but closed down here, and because price was up here, we have a mark left on our candle, which is the wick. On our second candle, price is opened where the previous candle closed. Price was down here and price was up here but closed here. So once again, our wicks have acted as a footprint or a recording of where price was during the duration of the candle. Now, to help you understand Japanese candlesticks better, let's look at a real-life price chart. This is a 30-minute chart of the euro US dollar. So each one of these candles represents 30 minutes of price data or price movement. If we zoom in, we can get a better look at these candles. So let's take this first candle. Price is opened here where the previous candle closed, and price closed here, creating a bullish candle. We also have an upper wick, so price was up here during the duration of the candle but has come back down and closed here. Our next candle has opened where the previous one closed. Price was up here but closed here. Our next candle opens here, has closed here, but was down here because we have a lower wick. With this next candle, price opened here and moved very slightly on the downside and closed just here, and we have an upper and a lower wick. Let's look at a live price chart now to display a Japanese candlestick in action. It's currently the evening of the European markets, so there's very little movement on the Euro USD, but let's go to the dollar Japanese yen and we can go to a 1 minute chart, and we should see a lot of price movement, and you should see a Japanese candle body and wick being formed. Okay, so that candle just closed. Let's watch the price movement on this next candle. You'll notice the candle is leaving a wick as it moves down, and there we have it. To summarize, Japanese candlesticks have bodies and wicks. Candlesticks can either be bullish or bearish, upwards or downwards. In coming videos, I will show you how Japanese candlesticks can act as signals to open and close positions within financial markets, and we'll start doing that in the next video, which is reading Japanese candlesticks part 2. As always, thank you for watching this video, and please watch more.